guys, this is Surajit from Mina Games, and today we will learn how to make this subscribe 3D object in Blender. So first things first, we will create a new blend page. We don't need the camera or the lighting, so we'll delete it. We'll select the cube, raise it to the ground plane. Nice and easy, a little bit higher. Select it, add a modifier as bevel. We'll give it an offset of 0.3, a segment of 100. There you go. We'll add a material, let's call it glossy white. And we will add a mix shader, which is my personal favorite because it has so many applications. And then the glossy, and then quickly switch over to the material preview by pressing Z and 2, and then you can see that we have the cube. It's a little bit rough on the edges, so let's just smoothen it out by changing the factor. That should do it. And here I will add a new material because we're already here. We'll call it glossy red. We'll do the same process again. A mix shader. Here we will add the diffused color, a bright red. The same with the glossy shader, FF000, and that should give us the bright red color. So I've created both the materials. The reason I'm doing it, I will explain it a little later. Shift A, add a cube, bring it to the side, lift it up, press tab so that we go to the edit menu, select the plane selection, select the front plane, click on scale, bring it down, and bring it down. We have a sharp little play button now. Press tab again, select scale, and then make it smaller overall. Decrease the thickness so that we get the nice little, that should do it. Now we will place it in the cube, bring it forward, go to the side so we can see what's happening. That is much, and then a little bit higher, nicely placed. And on this one we will add the glossy red color. I think we should add a little modifier here. Let's apply the modifier for the cube. Select the play button, add the bevel at 0.1, segment as 100 to smoothen out the look. So now we have this nice little play box. If you look at the wireframe, however, they are not joined. So now we'll try to join them. Apply this, switch to the material preview, come to the front, and now what we'll do is select the main cube, add modifier, boolean, do a union on it, object as cube 001, then apply, and it should do it. When you do a boolean, it leaves the other part, also it creates a copy, and also I'll just delete it. bring it down. So now you have this box. Next step is to add the back. So we'll just add a cube, bring it to the side a little bit, scale it so that, yeah, nice and easy. Now we will just, I think it's placed properly, so just scale it a little bit so that, yeah, that's nice and easy. And then we'll just move the bottom here. Let's just move this one to fix it. I think we need a little bit of length adjustment here. Yeah, just look it around. Let's just move it a little bit to the side. And then on this one, we will add the material as glossy white. Just then glossy white. Now that has to be the red color, right? So just do this to it. I think it needs a little bit of bevel also. So bevel 0.1, and then segments as 100. So we have got this nice little structure of subscribe button. I think we'll move this one a little down, just fine-tuning it. Fine-tuning takes 80% of your time in Blender, and that's how it is with 3D animation. Now we have to merge these two, so we'll just select the cube, add modifier, boolean, press on union, select the cube, and apply. There you go. Lift it up, delete, or you could just hide the upper limit, upper layer. There are 10 different ways of doing it. Boolean is Blender is a very versatile tool to do these kind of things. Now we need the text. So Shift A, text, select it, press tab, subscribe, there you go, press tab, select it, press R, X90, again press R, Z90, nice and easy. Now we have got the text. Here we will just add a little bit of offset to it, a little bit of volume to it actually, not offset, and then just a little bit of bevel so that we can see it. Let me just bring it forward for you so that we can see it. So we've got this nice little subscribe up here, lift it up, and then scale it, and then move it a little bit more to the side. Yep. Just turn it a little bit outside so we can see it. Just touching the, yeah, that's perfect. So now we've got the structure. Let's add our glossy white material to it. That's how it should look. And then we can add the glossy red to it. Now, because this is a text, you cannot just merge it to any other object because text does not have that property. So what you do is right click, convert to mesh. If you go to the wireframing, you can see that now it has rendered into a nice mesh structure. This is very important to do this. Now we go back to the material preview, select the subscribe. I don't know if I have, yeah, I have applied the modifier. It's important that you always apply the modifier after making the changes. We go to boolean, we do the union option here, select the cube, and then apply. And then we gently lift it up, delete, and here we have a lovely 3D subscribe button. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen, and stay tuned for other videos related to Blender. We shall be updating some tutorials regarding objects and mesh networks soon. Have a good day. Thank you.